Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on one-handed mode on your Samsung Galaxy device. So big screens are beautiful, but they're not always practical. So one-handed mode instantly resizes your home screen or your screen and displays it in a more compact view that's easier to reach with your thumb. So as you can see, instead of using this large screen, I can go ahead and reduce the screen. And with my thumb, I can go ahead and reach anywhere I like on screen. And when I'm done, I can go and press the home button again and go back to the normal view. So it resizes the display into a compact view. I can go ahead and reach whichever app I want to reach and then go ahead and bring it back to normal. So let me show you how to turn on this one-handed mode on your Samsung Galaxy device. So here you need to go ahead and first open up settings. Next, you want to go and scroll down and find advanced settings or features. From here, scroll down and find one-handed mode. Make sure you turn this feature on, and now you can go ahead and choose if you want gesture or button. So gesture will let you swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen, and button will let you double tap on the home screen. So here, let's go ahead and try. While the button option will let you double tap, and this will enable one-handed mode. Now you can go ahead and move this compact view anywhere you like. So say for example, the top left, top right. You can even resize it, or you can go ahead and enlarge it. So this makes your S25 Ultra and other large phones feel more manageable in daily life. So this is perfect for when you're carrying groceries, walking, or simply wanting more comfort using just one hand. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on one-handed mode on your Samsung Galaxy device. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.